Many homes are faced with old, deteriorating, leaking roofs and potential damage from hail, high winds, fires, and other natural disasters caused by extreme climate conditions. As consumers become more educated, they are increasingly demanding quality and sustainability. They want to know what's in the building products that make up their home, where they come from, and assurance that they will last a lifetime. All of this is creating demand for a better roofing system that looks good, is more energy efficient and durable. And with skilled labor at a premium, roofing contractors want products that are easier and faster to install than traditional roofing products. They also want assurance that what they install will allow them to grow their business and reduce liabilities. This is why roofing contractors and homeowners alike are turning to stone-coated steel as the roofing material of the future. In summary, traditional roofing materials are not holding up to extreme climate conditions. Consumers are demanding more from the materials used in their homes. Contractors want quality roofing solutions that are easier and faster to install, and stone-coated steel roofing solutions answer all of these challenges. Find out more about the benefits of stone-coated steel, and in particular, Tilcor stone-coated steel roofing in our next videos. Or if you're a roofing contractor, you can download our free guide to find out more about the benefits of using Tilcor roofing panels.